sure needs help, doesn't it? Also, this is totally broken. Not fun. I'm gonna have to fix it, but one of the easiest things you can do is just start taking all the all the metal stuff out of this and dunk it in the, evapo rust, I guess. Maybe I'll get lucky and these will come out first try. I doubt it. Yep, not happening. And it's not the right one. Is that the right one? Nope. Too small. Can't tell if that just rounded it over or did something else. Focus, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, that's not even. That's not going in there. Okay. New plan. Big old drill. That might do it. If I'm lucky. Probably not though. But if I'm lucky, it'll do it. Nope. Nope. Oh, damn it. Nope, that ain't doing nothing either. You know what? All this stuff is so messed up. We're gonna have to do the CLR rag trick, I guess. Of course, I grabbed the one that was already covered in gas, so nothing can go wrong. That should help, hopefully. I guess we'll get that with penetrating oils later. You know, the way CLR burns, it just scares me. I like evapo rust. That stuff we started soaking earlier hasn't budged at all, so I'll have to wait, I don't know how much longer. Long enough, I guess. I went and cleaned off CLR from last time, so let's see if that made any noticeable difference. No. No, these things are just destroyed. Hey, it's spinning. I changed my mind. I want to work on that outside. Alright, so it spins, I guess. I don't know, it doesn't look like it's coming off. That one isn't either. So what am I missing to this equation? Now, I really didn't want to do this, but I've got no choice. It's only fitting that the ancient tools do it. Oh, wait a second. That might just huh. Nah, we're just gonna pull it. Fuck that. They're already toast. Oh, finally. So, these inserts were absolutely seized in there. Yeah, there is no getting those out. So, shame, but had to be done. As for this guy, I imagine it's a similar thing. Oh, that one was so much easier. One plastic. I gotta hammer that one out. Oh, finally. Man, these things suck. After combing through all the footage I had for that day, I realized I never actually explained how any of this stuff works. Mounting hardware to fiberglass is pretty hard, especially when it's captive like this is. There's no access from the other side. Saab chose to use what is essentially a threaded insert. Unlike an insert that is glued in, or pressed in, or melted in, or, I don't know, maybe even included while the fiberglass was curing, this one uses a tapered thread where the screw of the hardware, either the latch nose mechanism or the little flippy bit, I'm not sure what I'm calling that yet, that hardware actually causes the threaded insert to expand and should increase its grip on the fiberglass. Problem is, well, the two metals seized, and their bond was a lot stronger than the bond between the threaded insert and the fiberglass. So I was never actually unscrewing any of the hardware. Instead, I was just unscrewing the threaded insert from the fiberglass. I'll have to figure out how to deal with this eventually, especially considering I really messed up all those screws. The rivets I also removed from the fiberglass were pretty strange too. I can't exactly verify, as I think I've either thrown them away or they've been lost to the floor, but I believe they were brass. I'm no fiberglass expert, but I believe that would be more inert than steel would, or at least it wouldn't rust in the fiberglass, which probably wouldn't be good for layer adhesion. Well, I've got all the tools out. I want to get the hinge and the stop out too, just because. I just do. Nope, let's go the right way this time. Let's spun that out fast. Nice. The only reason why I'm using the big one is because my cordless ones are all out of commission. Big one, chopped the stuff. And the little one only has one battery, it's dead. I don't want to charge it. So we're using this one. It seems to be more equipped for the job. Ah, sweet. That came out a lot easier than I thought it would. Where'd it go, though? It fell down there somewhere into oblivion. Alright, well, it's in the engine bay somewhere. We'll find it once we take this off. Alright, yeah. we're done here.